Hello everyone. Fugacity is one parameter whose physical interpretation is sometimes difficult to understand. But today, your friend Anuj is here to make you understand this fugacity in the most simple terms with so many real life examples. And yes, we shall be discussing its mathematical significance too, with its dependence on temperature and pressure as well. So guys, without wasting time, let's start. So guys, let's introduce first the topic. What do you mean by fugacity? So fugacity is simply the measure of the chemical potential in the terms of adjusted pressure. So it's the adjusted pressure for the real solutions, or I should say real gases, right? And we are going to learn it in the most simple terms, right? So if I talk about fugacity, it will directly relates to the tendency of a substance to prefer one phase over the another. So guys, आपने देखा होगा that at any temperature and pressure, at some temperature and pressure, uh, any substance, if I talk about any gas or liquid, or if I talk about simply a substance, so a substance can be there in all the phases. It can be present in liquid, solid, or gas. Okay, let's take an example of water. So at any fixed temperature and pressure, water will have its different fugacity for each phase, guys. Fugacity simply means its preference to be in one phase over the another. So guys, agar if I talk about 100 degree centigrade, or let's talk about 101 degree centigrade, 101 degree centigrade. So at 101 degree centigrade temperature, water will prefer to be in a state of a vapor, right? Not the liquid, not the solid, right? So its preference, right? So the pressure at which this tendency will be there is known as the fugacity, right? So the phases with the lowest fugacity will be the most favorable ones. So आपको ये तो सिंपल सी बात है that जो reduced pressure होगा उसकी तरफ जाने की कोई भी substance कोशिश करता है, right? For example, let's take some new examples on it. So first we have this bottles. Okay, so these are common bottles that you use in your households, right? Deodorant bottles are there. Okay, deodorant, some sprays are there. Okay, mosquito sprays are there. So guys, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो it is being pressurized, and in the liquid form it is present in this small cans, right? But when you just press the knob, what will it happen? क्या होगा guys? ये वेपर फॉर्म में या गैशियस फॉर्म में निकलता है. दैट मीन्स एट दैट रिड्यूस्ड प्रेशर या रिड्यूस्ड टेम्परेचर, या इसको हम सिंपल प्रेशर के टर्म्स में लेंगे, राइट? रिड्यूस्ड प्रेशर के टर्म्स में, ठीक है? तो रिड्यूस्ड प्रेशर पे ये फेज चेंज कर रहा है गाइस. सो दैट प्रेशर, दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रेशर इज नोन एज फ्यूगैसिटी, राइट? बिकॉज आप देख सकते हैं अंदर फ्यूगैसिटी कुछ और है कैन में, एंड व्हेन द सब्सटेंस कम्स आउट एंड चेंजेस इट्स फेज, तो वो फेज जो जिसमें चेंज हुआ दैट इज द प्रेफर्ड फेज. तो उस फेज में हमारा जो प्रेशर है दैट प्रेशर इज नोन एज द फ्यूगैसिटी. लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. ओके, सो एलपीजी सिलेंडर्स. सो आप जानते हैं लिक्विफाइड पेट्रोलियम गैस, ये लिक्विफाई करके सिलेंडर्स में फिल की जाती है, राइट? बट व्हेन इट विल कम आउट एंड यूज्ड इन योर किचन्स, तो ये गैशियस फॉर्म में यूज होगा गाइस, ये सभी जानते हैं. सो दैट द प्रेशर, ओके, सो व्हाट विल हैपन, देयर इज the knob, okay, the valve, you press the valve and the gas will come out, the which is actually present in the liquid form, right? So I hope आप इस टॉपिक से रिलेट कर पा रहे होंगे, राइट? सो फिगैसिटी इज एक्चुअली द एस्केपिंग टेंडेंसी, ठीक है? एस्केपिंग टेंडेंसी को रिप्रेजेंट करता है फ्यूगैसिटी. इन सो मेनी एग्जांपल्स आर देयर. इस तरह के एग्जांपल आई होप अब आप रिलेट कर पा रहे होंगे व्हाट एक्चुअली फ्यूगैसिटी इज. सो एक्चुअली इट्स एन इंपॉर्टेंट इंजीनियरिंग टूल फॉर प्रिडिक्टिंग द फाइनल फेज. तो आप समझ पा रहे हैं, बिकॉज जब हमारा गैस यहां से निकलेगा इट विल कम आउट एट सम प्रेशर, right? And it will tell you this fugacity, this value fugacity, the mathematical value of this fugacity will tell you the final phase, what is going to be the preferred phase. okay, the final phase, or I should say preferred phase for a substance. And it will also tell you about the reaction state in a multi-component mixture at various temperatures and pressure without actually doing the actual lab test. Okay, so this parameter can save a lot of lab test, right? So this is the way fugacity should be understood. Now let's look at the, so guys, now have a look at the mathematical form or the mathematical significance of the fugacity concept, right? So to introduce the mathematical concept, first we will take the concept of the pure and our ideal gas, right? The change in the Gibbs free energy for the ideal gas at isothermal condition, that is the constant temperature conditions, can be represented by this. I hope you are with me on this, you are following this, right? So V can be replaced, because it's the ideal gas, V can be replaced by RT by P. और guys इसको इंटीग्रल इस तरह फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं, LNP की फॉर्म में भी, आई होप आप समझ पा रहे होंगे, लिख सकते हैं, राइट? इसी तरह से अगर हम रियल गैसेस के लिए लिखेंगे गाइस, तो रियल गैसेस के लिए आर प्रेशर टर्म विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय fugacity, right? It will be replaced by fugacity, right? Or I should write it from change. Okay, if I write about the change, right, the change will be including from point 1 to point 2, right? It will be ln of f2 by f1, right? This change in the Gibbs free energy that is being represented here is applied for the real gases, liquid solid mixtures, ideal gases, and so on. It will be applied for every type of mixture or the one solution, right? So let's see further. Now you can see that pressure, or I should say fugacity, is directly proportional to pressure, right? And to include this proportionality constant, okay, we have to introduce a proportionality constant. So guys, ये proportionality constant होता है, this is fugacity coefficient, right? And this fugacity coefficient will be equal to 1 when we have the ideal gas. It will be greater than 1. Greater than 1 means, guys, your fugacity is more than pressure, right? So in that case we are having the intermolecular repulsion will be there, right? And if the fugacity coefficient is less than 1, we are having the intermolecular attraction. So guys, intermolecular repulsion से आप समझ पा रहे होंगे, I am talking about the gas phase, okay, अदर देन द लिक्विड, ठीक है? और अगर हम इंटरमोलिकुलर अट्रैक्शन की बात करें तो इट कुड बी सॉलिड और लिक्विड, राइट? सो आई होप you are following me on this. Now if you take the limits of this F by P and make the pressure tending towards 0, this limit will come out to be 1, right? This limit will come out to be 1. So guys, आप देख समझ सकते हैं यहाँ पर प्रेशर की वैल्यू 0 की तरफ जब ट्रेंड करेगी तो ये रेशियो क्या हो जाएगा, इस रेशियो की लिमिट क्या हो जाएगी, दैट विल बी 1, राइट? सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस. इफ दिस is tending towards 0, F by P will be tending towards 1. Okay, this sign means tending towards, right? So fugacity in the simple terms is the pressure of a substance corrected for its non-ideality. Okay, non-ideality in its behavior. Simple terms में fugacity की ये definition होती है. Let's move further and see the effect of temperature on fugacity. So we are going to look at the effect of temperature and pressure on fugacity. So how the changes in temperature will change the value of fugacity, right? So for that we first take the equation that is for the real solutions, right? See the change. Okay, so this is the normal value, right? And this is the standard value. This 0 or O represents the standard value, right? And this equation can be rewritten in this form, right? In the form. Now let's differentiate the equation with respect to the temperature, right? So when we do that, we have to do that both the sides, right guys? So you can see this is the simplified form, this is the simplified form. Now we will look at this. If you just take G upon T and differentiate this G upon T in with respect to the temperature, what will happen? This is going to be our solution, right? actually this is the simple differentiation, right? This division differentiation. Okay, the denominator multiplied by the differentiation of numerator minus numerator multiplied by the differentiation of denominator divided by denominator square, right? This I think you should know, right? Or guys, this can be written, ठीक है, ये हम देख सकते हैं, this del G, the changes in Gibbs free energy with respect to temperature at constant pressure will be equal to minus of this entropy, ठीक है. This you can refer from the thermodynamic property relation जो हमने पिछले वीडियोस में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, right? And you know G is H minus Ts, so if I write G here it will become minus H plus Ts, right? This is the simplified form. और ये हमारे पास फाइनल फॉर्म गाइस क्या आ जाती है इस डिफरेंशिएशन के, G by T के डिफरेंशिएशन की, it will come out to be minus H by T square. Similarly you can do for the standard state also, that is G naught, right? It will come out minus H naught upon T square. I hope you are following me on this. Let's move further because actually we have these two terms on the right hand side, so we are just simplifying them. And when we write these subtractions, this is the value that we will get, right? And what is going to happen guys, यहाँ जो right hand side की value थी उसको हमने left hand side की value से replace कर दिया है, and here you can see the R value will come up on the denominator of the right hand side, और ये final आप देख सकते हैं, this is the final equation that we will get. So this equation will tell you when you just change the temperature how the fugacity is going to change, right? So it will depend on the enthalpy. So this equation shows you the enthalpy change due to expansion of a gas or the liquid vaporization or solid sublimation. So you can see that the phase changes are there, and because the temperature change will actually change the fugacity, and that change in fugacity will be associated with the enthalpy change. It could be gas vaporization, it could be expansion of a gas, it could be liquid vaporization or the solid sublimation. Let's look at the effect of pressure on fugacity now. So similarly we will move in the same fashion that we did with the temperature, right? So now we will be differentiating with respect to pressure, right? So when we do that, this is the simplified equation that we get, right? And you can see if I check this delta G, or I should write dG, right? So dG is simply, we know that it is VdP minus SdT, and if I take the dG by dP del G by del P at constant temperature, it will come out to be V, right? So you can see that here we can directly put the values V and V naught in place of G and G naught, and this is the final equation that we have got. So guys, I hope आज का वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा. We have discussed fugacity in much details, the physical significance, physical interpretation of fugacity and its mathematical significance as well. We also saw the effect of temperature and pressure on fugacity. So guys, अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो so please इस वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. Please subscribe to this channel to get more such amazing content related to chemical engineering, right? So, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update. For any of your query, for any of your doubt, please feel free to contact me in the comment box. You can also join our Telegram channel, the link for which is mentioned in the description box. So thank you all for joining and watching this video. We'll meet you in the next video soon. Thank you all.